Hey guys, it's just around here. We're already in the park. We're going to start off the day with Runaway Rapids. Big Spin is closed today. Alright, just did 3 laps in the river. Now we're going to be doing Runaway Rapids. We're doing a 1-hour challenge today, so it's already 4:12. It's been like about almost 40 minutes in the river, so we better get down and up there fast. Well everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure video. If you guys did, make sure to like down below, subscribe if you're new to the channel, respond to you guys tomorrow's video. I know this was a quick visit as normal than usual, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.